Welcome everyone to the Ruby on Rails crash course video. If you are a pass out IT student or someone who wants to make a career as a web developer, then this 1.5 to 2 month crash course is for you. In this crash course, I will help you to become Ruby on Rails developers. Why Ruby on Rails framework? Because it is second highest paying web framework as per the Stack Overflow Survey 2022. Also, it is startup favorite web framework. I am quite excited that this crash course come with a guaranteed job placement in my placement partner TrueMark Private Limited, which is a web development company based out of Kathmandu. Their technology stack are in Node.js, React.js, Ruby on Rails, React Native, Gatsby, and iOS development. You can visit their website and they have three opening position. So if you really want to be a web developer, then this crash course is for you. Let's go through more about this bootcamp. This bootcamp is gonna be practical, feedback driven, project driven, and have enough deep concept that will land you a job in a company. Why Ruby on Rails? As I already mentioned, it is one of the popular web framework to build modern web application. It is also a startup web framework. It has an established job market. The framework is very friendly and easy learning. It has a huge and friendly tech community. Let's see who uses Ruby on Rails. All the company listed here uses Ruby on Rails. If you see GitHub, Airbnb, Shopify, then DigitalOcean, Paytm, Heroku, Oyo Rooms, okay, all these companies Ruby on Rails. And now you can imagine what is the power of this web framework. So I will be your instructor for this whole bootcamp, and I have around 12 years of experience, and I have worked from startup to MNCs like Red Hat. So there are many things, but I would like to have you special mention on the job position. We will be targeting for junior Ruby on Rails developer, junior backend developer, junior full stack engineer, freelance Ruby on Rails developer. This is the detailed curriculum for the bootcamp. The first week we will have some preparation. Then after that we will have Ruby basic, then Ruby intermediate. Then we will learn some of the advanced concept in Ruby and Sinatra introduction. Then after that we will understand the CRUD, that is create, read, update and delete in Ruby on Rails, and try to build a basic application in Rails like a blog application. After that we will go through some of the advanced concepts, and then finally we will try to build projects and then try to deploy in the cloud. You can go through all the detailed curriculum in the website link dhanusar.com/bootcamp/ruby on rails. Some of the key details. So this will be completely online interactive. To enroll in this bootcamp, you should have the good knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JS. The fees is 20,000 only, but the first 5 students can pay 15,000 only. The duration is around 1.5 months or maximum 2 months. The batch size is max to max 20 student, but we will start as soon as we will have good enough number. The workflow is very simple. It will have theoretical, then practical, then there will be assignment, there will be feedback. Your progress will be tracked during the entire boot camp. We will have peer programming session as well to resolve your queries online. As I mentioned earlier, it is practical, feedback oriented, result oriented, and there is a guaranteed placement after the successful completion of the course to the placement partner like TrueMark. For the support, we have a private Discord community channel for all the queries and other issues. Now, let's quickly go through some of the projects that you are going to build in this bootcamp. Our first project is voting app that we will going to build in Sinatra framework. In this application, we are going to vote for the dishes that we will going to have in the dinner. Here you can see we have four items: hamburger, pizza, curry, noodles, and then we will vote, and whoever has the highest votes will win, and we will have that in the winner. So let's choose noodle and then cast the votes and see the result. Here you can see the noodle has one. Let's have more, and hamburger has one, and let's have two, and we have noodles too. So in this application, we will understand how all this CRUD operation works. The next application is a blog application that we will going to build in Ruby on Rails. So this blog application has everything like what we needed. For example, it has everything from login, sign up. Okay, it has everything. So I have already signed up as users like admin and Dhanu sir. Let me log in, and my login is Dhanu sir official at gmail.com, and uh, I hope this is the, yeah. So here you can see that's the Dhanusar profile. Simple. I can edit my profile. Okay, and then I can view my profile. Okay, I can see all the blog post written by me, and here you can see, and we can view the post. I can create a new post like second post, and this is the description of the second post. Okay, and now I can choose blogging and then create the blog, and back to all post. I can see I have two blog posts in my name, and that's all. And here you can see view the categories, or these categories can only be edited by the admin. And this is the pagination. Okay, simple pagination, and that's it. Yeah, that's all. Update blogger. Okay, so here we will understand how the authentication works. Okay, how CRUD application works. Okay, so that's all we will gonna learn in this blog application in Ruby on Rails framework. The third application is a chat application that we will going to build in Ruby on Rails with the help of action cable. And here you can see, so these are some already chat uh, messages there. And now, so right now I am like Dhanu sir. Okay, uh, and I have a booth, student. Hi booth. Okay, and then I type here. Now in my different browser, which is a Firefox, let me just to do like this. Okay, so here, okay, like this, I will do hi Dhanu sir. Okay, and here you can see as I type hi Dhanu sir, it got updated here. Okay, so that's how like this chat application. How are you sir? Okay, and then I will say Budh, I am fine. How is your study going on? Are you practicing well? Okay, and then I will say, yeah, yes, sir. I am doing great with my practice. Okay, so here you can see in this chat application, this is like built-in Ruby on Rails features. So we can easily build this kind of chat application easily in Ruby on Rails. So these three are few such applications that we will gonna build in this bootcamp. There are others projects that we are going to practice throughout our bootcamp. Finally, I hope you are as excited as I am. to enroll in this bootcamp and make your career as a web development. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the bootcamp.